Release your suppressed emotions. Living through our life, we are continually experiencing emotions of one sort or another. If our experiences weaves the tapestry of our life, then it is our emotions which give that tapestry its color. From emotions ranging from low self-esteem, hopelessness, fear, and anxiety to love, joy, and thrill. We have all been privy to the cornucopia of emotions. What we don't realize is that if these emotions aren't expressed fully, they can inflict upon us immense damage. Do we feel that we are struggling under the weight of something that we can't quite put our finger on? Perhaps we feel paralyzed by imaginary fears and regrets. Then it is quite likely that we are afflicted by suppressed emotions. Suppressed emotions prevents us from living the vibrant, healthy life we are meant to live. It can cause us to make wrong assumptions and remain paralyzed by fear. Even worse, suppressed emotions can lead to depression and chronic anxiety. As is quite evident by now, by releasing our suppressed emotions, we can pave way for a newfound freedom and confidence to suffuse our life. It can be likened to a big burden being literally lifted off our being. Which begs the question, how do we release the suppressed emotions? The traditional approach in psychotherapy was to generally talk and discuss coping mechanisms with a therapist. While this is often helpful, however, new research has found that it doesn't address the suppressed emotion which is deeply embedded in our subconscious mind and body. By combining talk therapy, journaling, and meditation, we can holistically address suppressed emotion. The former can help us integrate our conscious mind and the frontal part of our brain, whereas by harnessing meditation, we can access our subconscious mind and limbic system, the deeper emotional section of our brain, to completely resolve our suppressed emotions. So, without any further ado, let us harness these techniques to liberate ourselves from the bondage of suppressed emotions and awaken to a life of joy. And if you like to join me on this journey to love, joy, healing, and spiritual growth, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more content just like this. Until next time, love to all.